What is a Masonic Lodge? In Freemasonry, the term lodge carries a dual meaning. On one hand, it refers to the community of Masons, the body of men who gather in fellowship, united by shared principles and traditions. On the other hand, it also signifies the physical space where these brothers assemble. Across the globe, there are thousands of Masonic lodges, each serving as both a symbolic and practical center of Masonic life. A lodge often includes a dedicated lodge room, the sacred space where ceremonies, rituals, and the official business of the fraternity are carried out. Beyond this central room, most lodges also feature adjoining areas designed for fellowship. Dining halls, where meals are shared, lounges or social spaces where friendships are nurtured, and facilities for hosting both private gatherings and public events. In this way, the lodge is far more than a building. It is both the heart of a Masonic community and the living expression of the Brotherhood's values.